Welcome to a new Phaeton video. Today we want to talk about the seats and the seat belts and discover why they are so special on this car. So the Phaeton comes with two different options for the front seats. You can have the standard seat, which is adjustable in 12 ways. These are forward, rearward, up and down, backrest angle, seat angle, and the vertical and longitudinal position of the internal back support. The advanced seat is adjustable in 18 ways. So in addition to the functions of the standard seat, you can adjust the leg support, the upper backrest angle, and the headrest with electric motors. The Phaeton offers an easy entry function, so it puts the steering wheel in the upper and most forward position every time you want to get out, and brings it back to your safe position if you start the ignition again. The seats come with perforated leather and a cooling function which blows air through the little holes and avoids sweating. Of course, the seats can also be heated. A massage function moves the internal back support up and down in different programs to relax on long journeys. For the back seat, the Phaeton has three different options. You can either have the standard rear bench with 3 seats with seat heating, the premium rear bench for 3 seats and with adjustable outboard seats with additional cooling massage function and a control to move the forward passenger seat. Or you can have 2 single seats, heated, cooled and with massage function. The headrest of the front seats has a mechanical linkage inside which moves the headrest forward in case of the rear crash. So the headrest doesn't annoy you by constantly touching your head while driving, but it's there when you need it. A special topic are the front seat belts. A normal car has the seat belt fixed at the B-pillar, in the center and at the lower outboard side. If you then move your seat, the belt's tension changes. So manufacturers change to having the lower point fixed at the seat, so the tension does not change as much if you move the seat and it's more comfortable. The Phaeton has that too and went a few steps further. Optional for the 18-way seats was a system with 2 belt tensioners, so one in the B-pillar and one in the other fixing point at the seat. Of course, it's a lot more expensive for the manufacturer to do this, but the advantage is that the belt is so loose that passengers don't feel that they have a belt on, so it's super comfortable. And in case of a crash, you have 2 actuators tightening the seat belts, which means faster reaction and actually more safety. The problem of such a system is that you need more force to pull the belt back in position, but you don't want more force on the passengers while driving. So the Phaeton engineers designed the B-pillar tensioner with a gearbox. So if the Phaeton detects that a person is sitting on the seat, it will use the gearbox to apply less force. And when the person gets out, it shifts again and retracts the seat belt quicker. So which seats do I have in my Phaeton? You can see these are the 18-way seats, so this is the highest option for seats you could have. And let's have a look at this panel. So you can see here you can adjust the seats. This is your memory function. And here you can change the position of the back support. And this is where you choose the massage options. So we have massage here. We also have seat cooling and seat heating, which is then adjusted here in the middle. So you put it on minus for cooling and on plus for heating. It's super strong, super convenient, so in summer you're not sweaty when you drive somewhere. And you have all these little holes, so these perforated seats, and the air is coming out of these holes. You can't really hear the fan for that, so it's really cool, just works. Now let's have a look how many ways we can adjust the seats here. So you can adjust the seat forward, backwards, so these are 2 ways. You can go up and down, these are 4 ways. You can put the forward part higher and lower, so these are 6. Then you can choose the forward support, so we are at 8. Then we can adjust the angle, so we are at 10. And then we can adjust the upper angle, so look at this. You see, only the angle of the upper backrest is changing. Then we can adjust the our head support. And in the end, we can also change our inside back support. So you can't really see it, but you can feel it. So it's one structure that's moving inside here. So in total, these are 18 ways, and this is really comfortable. You can adjust the seat in any possible direction. And because it's quite hard to find the setting again, you have memory seats, so you just hold it here. So for example, this here is for one person. This is for a much smaller person, so seat goes in that position. So whatever you like, everything's possible here. Of course, you cannot just adjust the seat, you can also adjust your steering wheel position electronically, and here there's a little button that every time you get out, it pulls the steering wheel away from you so you can get out easier. You can also adjust the mirrors with this button here, so you can move them up, down, left and right, and then you can choose between the right mirror, mirror heating, left mirror, or folding the mirror. And of course you can adjust the interior mirror, and this is what you do manually. But now if I press the memory button, take a look at this. So it adjusted not just our outside mirrors. So let's do this again. Now take a look at this. So I'm pressing on my memory 1 button again. So it was adjusting the outside mirror and the inside mirror. And that is a feature that is so cool, and I couldn't find it in any other car, but the Phaeton has it. So it doesn't just adjust the seat for you and the memory function, it's adjusting the steering wheel for you. It also puts the mirrors inside and outside back to the original position. Another point we should talk about is the door sound when you close the door, because even my neighbor came over and asked which car I have because it's such an amazing sound. Now listen to that. That is a closed door. Some people were asking what these two buttons are. So something is going up and down. Now look at this. So your shoulder support is going up and down, and of course that's also part of the memory seats, which is adjusted for you. And a few words about the massage function. So this massage function is just super comfortable. You're driving on a hot day with cooled seats and with massage on a long journey, even with this big trailer in the back and having a car inside there or moving furniture or whatever. But you don't care whatever is behind you because you're in a Phaeton on your massage seats. And the program is really nice. It's intensive enough, and it just helps you to not be tired. So you don't get any like high pressure spots or something, since it's always moving the support back and forth. So really comfortable, really nice, and makes you be fresh even after a long journey. And while we are here, I think every car guy who cleans his car himself knows what I'm talking about. It's always hard to get in this gap, so between the B-pillar and the seat. And it was always annoying me that I can't really get inside there with the normal hoover. So I just 3D printed my own specific Phaeton nozzle, which is extra long and extra thin. And I can just super easily get inside here and clean this. So if you're interested in such a nozzle, just let me know. I might produce some more of them, and then you could get it from me. So let's come to the rear seats now. So as you heard, we have 3 different options for the rear bench, and this is the simplest option, and I have the highest option for the front seats but the lowest for the rear seats. This is the short wheelbase, and this is the 5-seater, and this is not the premium rear bench, this is just the standard one. So you of course have the same design as in the front, so with the perforated lever, but here you don't have the cooling function, but you have seat heating. Here you can see, you can adjust it here, but you can't turn it in the other direction for cooling. You have your own screen here for your air conditioning system, and in the middle you have a backrest, or you have an armrest. Here is the first aid kit. You have the 2 cup holders here, and this is for skis, so every time we go on skiing holiday you can put your skis in this bag through here, so you don't need a roof box. Additionally, you have the headrest for the third person, and you can adjust these headrests for the other passengers manually. And yeah, this is the simplest bench you can get. It's already with seat heating. Usually you would have the controls for moving the seats around if you have the premium one, but this is what the simplest looks like. And even after 300,000 kilometers, also with 4-person use, and pretty often I'm also using it with 5-person, it still looks pretty okay. And yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So as you can see, it doesn't matter which area at the Phaeton you look at. Seats, seat belts, everything is special about this car. It's super comfortable, you're getting used to it super quickly, and you really miss it when you drive in another car. So I hope you enjoyed that, and see you at the next video.